Hello and welcome, children, to my economics platform, Economics with Nilanjana. Today, we are going to start with the last chapter of Indian economic development's current challenges facing Indian economy, which carries 20 marks out of the 40 marks of Indian economic development. And today's chapter is sustainable development, because sustainable development is so important, it is the talk of the time. Also, let me clarify one more thing, that please keep on following the parts of my videos in YouTube or in my Facebook handle, Economics with Nilanjana. And to get the free PDF of entire Indian economic development, comment 2026 in the comment section or ping me in the WhatsApp number given on my screen. Talking about environment and sustainable development. First thing, what is environment? Environment is the totality of the biotic and abiotic resources that are existing on this earth and the interdependence between them. Now, my point is, what are biotic? Biotics are all the living beings. Abiotics are the mountains, rivers, desert, plain land, grass, icebergs, everything are abiotic. Okay. Now, the minerals, the fossil fuels, all these are the abiotic factors. Now, what is the work of environment? First and foremost, environment gives us all the renewable and non-renewable resources that is actually driving the process of development from time immemorial. Also, environment actually sustains life so that the genetic biodiversity is maintained. Number 3, environment also is a source of, our aesthetic pleasure, because it is picturesque. You love to go beside a calm lake, a serene mountain, or a wild desert, or a beautiful riverside. So basically, and the wild oceans. All right, so basically they provide us with a scenic beauty and actually caters to our aesthetic senses. Also, environment assimilates all the waste that is generated by us. So environment is so very much important. Without it, the sustenance of a single life on the face of the earth will become impossible. Now, in this particular regard, throughout these chapters, we are going to talk about few very technical terms. The first and foremost technical term is the carrying capacity of environment. Carrying capacity of environment means the ability of environment to sustain life, okay? To sustain all the living beings, the non-living beings, assimilate their wastes and, keeping them fresh and healthy day after day for time immemorial. Next is the absorptive capacity of environment. Absorptive capacity of environment is the power of the environment to assimilate all the waste and cleanse your surrounding in no time. Number 3, another very, very important is the rate of regeneration of resources. Rate of regeneration of resources. We extract a lot of resources from the environment. We take out groundwater for irrigation. We use, all the minerals. So basically, the rate of regeneration means those resources which are renewable, okay, the speed at which our environment replenishes those resources which has gotten depleted or extracted. There is another concept which is called a rate of extraction of resources. Rate of extraction of resources means the speed at which we take resources from the earth, the renewable as well as the non-renewable. Now, what happens is that, listen to this very carefully, children, whenever the rate of extraction of resources or rate of exhausting them, taking them out, okay, is more than the rate of regeneration or the capacity of the environment to recreate it, to replenish it, then environmental crisis happens and we lose fauna, flora, animals become extinct, minerals become extinct, and the non-renewable resources get depleted to the minimum amount, after which they will be completely erased from the face of the earth. So these all things give rise to the two major environmental concern. One is ozone layer depletion and the other one is global warming. So please keep on following part 2 for the rest of the chapter of sustainable development.